Hello and welcome to Heavy Metal Rex. My name is Wace, and today finally we're doing some sort of racing that is not drag racing. This is actually the first event I'm actually coming out to. It's going to be an autocross event. Excuse those guys. And I missed one already from the STi event. This is actually something that we do here in St. Louis for autism. It's really nice, and I prefer to spend money on something like that than something else because I don't normally participate for charity, so at least it goes to a good cause and we have a lot of fun. So a couple of things that are a little bit different about the car today. I am running an ethanol tune. I'm running the last revision that Graham sent me, so it's about a little bit lower on power, but here that's not really a factor. Oil is good. I did actually increase the PSI on the tires just a tad bit and see if that's gonna keep the sidewalls from flexing. But I'm probably gonna try to do a couple of different runs with different camera setups. I'll have the camera on the inside, we'll have the 360 on the outside. And other than that, I'm probably just gonna get the gimbal and just walk around and look at the cars because there's a lot of really cool things parked today, especially this, there's this 94 to 97 white JDM right-hand drive STi that I definitely wanna go look at. So now what we're doing is we're doing a parade lap. We're gonna go through the track and see what it looks like. So after doing the parade lap, it definitely looks like we're gonna be sitting in second gear a lot. There's a few turns that I think I'm gonna end up falling out of boost. And that's gonna be the real tricky bit, is trying to keep that speed up. During the parade lap, I was going okay, maybe like 20, 25 miles per hour and just kind of like throwing the car around to kind of see what it looked like or what it felt like. It's going to be really interesting because if these tires are as good as I think they are, and if this chassis is more nimble than the 21, I think this is going to be a really good time.
There we go. Does he? Yeah. It's a St. Louis thing, you know. Yeah.
No, you mean it's a Jeffco thing. So it's not St. Louis, it's Jeffco. I know, because that's where I'm from.
So you do one lap, and then you have to wait, so it comes all the way back around. Yeah, after lunch, it's gonna go. Yeah, Mission Taco, conveniently nearby. You guys were just there a couple days ago, Christine. Thank you. David wanted to goodbye for a couple months.
Do it.
4 days later, David goes, "Hey, we're going to dinner."
I've had a lot of those recently. Hey, are you coming to the party? What party?
Man, I got to get better lenses.
Yes. Have you got tickets? Hey, it's a big Cincinnati fan, and we're going out. Holy cow! Are you prepared for that much response? Let's say so they offered to treat everyone. And, I'm sure that bill is quite a bit different.
I didn't hear Charlotte left over last year. I might be one more. Really? I'm like, well, then I talked to the guy I talked to last year. And they're like, well, you don't need to
All right, guys, so I'm lined up for my first run. I've been watching people drive all day long. It seems super fun. I'm very excited. I've actually seen quite a few WRXs and STIs get on the track, especially the other 22. I didn't catch what his time was, but this is just the first heat. We still got many more to go. So I wish me luck. Ready to go? Fuck, that was wide. That was super bad.
So powerful.
Just a quick update. Looks like the fastest time for the day is 55 seconds, which is super fast. My first run that I did was about 62. Just, a couple of my other super buddies here are knocking about on 60, which is like, that's a good improvement on the second one. I'm hoping that I can improve a little bit. There was definitely a couple of things that I noticed. The tires are fantastic. I actually didn't really use the brakes that much. I probably will use them a bit more this time around now that I know the layout of the track a little bit better. It's pretty much just riding second most of the time, and dude, the car feels incredible. It actually feels a lot better than the 2021 when I was on the track last year. So when we get back on the track again this year, this is going to be a really good one. So hopefully I improve the times. Next camera angle, what I'll probably do is I'll probably put it on the inside so you guys can see the shifting and see how much what it looks like on the inside. Yes! Yes! So I'm not using the other camera because it's just so much easier to record everything on the phone. It has been a super fun day. I've actually improved a lot. I started the day out at like around 64, went down to 62, then 61, 59, and now the best time I've had is 58.2, I believe. And now they're pretty much letting everybody run as much as they want. They're not recording times anymore, so the 58 is what's going to be recorded. The fastest car today was like 55.8. And now it was like 53, which there's no way without suspension mods I'm going to be able to beat that. So we're going to keep going for a few more runs, and then just I'll let you know if I can catch whatever the last time is.
camera.
You hold on to that camera.
We're gonna go 56.
Maybe.
56.
Maybe.
Hopefully.
Maybe 56. Best time 57.3. 57.2. Best time.
I'm gonna wait for this dude. But this is pretty cool.
Hold on to that chassis.
Yep. Ready?
Yeah, here we go. Ready?
Yep. Way better.
putting on that torque vectoring bullshit kind of let us know what was going
kind of
on.
A good line to follow because it was smooth.
Oh yeah, and it was a
stop
lot
and go,
smoother
stop
at the
and
end.
go. It's
Yeah,
about
that was
rolling
way
throttle.
smoother.
That was awesome.
Damn it, dude. We just keep improving. You know what sucks is they don't have the time. The time they put was my 58.
Okay, it was a 56.807.
56.807.
That's
Guys, as you can see by my hair, it is the end of the day. We had a really good time today. The best time I got so far, Shawn, what was it, 56.3? 56.7? 56.7 was the best time I got, which is actually really good because I started at 64. So really the best part about this is not so much racing against other people, but just racing against yourself, getting a really good time. The tires, actually, this last run I did, I actually went 4 in a row. And that's the first time the tires actually started heating up to the point where they just gave up. The brakes have surprisingly not given up. I was standing on them most of the time, but towards the end I started doing that. But so far the car has done incredibly well. I only let it cool down once because like towards the end of the day there's only 4 cars left. So the cool down was happening when we had like a 40-minute wait in between drives. And this one we only had like, as you see, there's like nobody here. The parking lot's completely empty. And so there was only 4 cars here, so I was able to go back to back to back. And it's still, the transmission was great. The engine is right. And here it was kind of tough because some of the runs, and you'll see it, there were times where I was running out of second gear. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.